to. But it's a new question you're wondering. No, I'm going to edit since I don't have money right now. We still have game mode. I like these where you can go on reading this. I was will so wait from its hibernation. The makeshift plushies coming to the virtual world. Check the displayed below. Only hackers of the campaign see available for free. Days until makeshift campaign. Wait, what? Huh? Backers. Oh, only backers. Why did I say hackers? I'm so stupid. I'll make there. No, no, that's not code. Guys, my calculations were wrong. That's right cover. Okay, am I going? Oh, there we go. Oh, you hear that? Like ding! Oh my god! Wait, what's that? What was that? I saw a little. Wait, what? What is this? There's fishes? Oh my god! Wait! Can you grab them? Oh, bro, this is cool. There's little fishes. Oh my god! I want to eat them. Doug the bug, where's your girlfriend, Doug? Doug. His girlfriend left him, guys. It's not Valentine's. Girlfriend left him. Poor dude. He just wanted to have the things back. What are these? Corn? I really asked, what is corn? Yeah, those are bees. Can you... These are a little big, don't you think, guys? Please tell me they give us, like, a bunch of free cosmetics that you have to find. Let's go check out the maps. I'll come back to this. My arm hurts. That's why I'm walking slow. Oh, my arm. I hate how much it lags. Oh my god! Far? I don't want to become a furry. Nah. Oh, there's little fishes. The baby. The baby. Why is it over here? I'm not getting that, guys. Just making sure. Oh, I'm definitely getting that. Shakira. Oh, that's cool. Why are they always giving us badges? Like, we don't want badges. And yes, guys, I have been slacking on my shiny rocks, so I've spent so many of them. Oh, wait. This is so cool. What is that? Like, to capture the bees? Oh, that one. I'm pretty sure I already have that one. Oh, hell no. Get that way. What? It doesn't do anything. It just changes that. Oh my god, that lags. Wait. How did I do that? Wait, didn't we have something like this? I'm pretty sure we did have something like this. Oh, you can't eat that. Oh, it goes on my back. Oh, that's cool. No balloon. Oh, finally a different balloon. Oh, this is cool. You got like a wizard and like the queen thing. Got this badge, solid. Nope, umbrella. This one isn't worth it, I guess. What, my butt? Nose. Ah. Yeah, I'm a bee, guys. I'm a bee. Okay. Let me go get the free cosmetic. They used to not be like free cosmetics. What? Huh? I don't get this. There we go. Okay, this is cool. Did anything change up here? No. This is a new whole update. It looks like they just rushed this update. Not gonna lie. Ooh, what was that? Actually, rush this update. I mean, every update they rush since they only have like 30 days. Landed! I'm so good in mountains. Oh, is there a free cosmetic? Dang it! Why can't there be any free cosmetics? Like, Grid should like allow me to develop the game. Like, I think I would be a good developer. I would add some free cosmetics. Like, bro, everybody would vote for me immediately. Like, vote for him. No one will vote for me. Just kidding. Just joke. Oh, this one is cool. It's like, corn is going out of it. What? Oh my god. What is this? A beehive? Guys, stop it. It's not that personal. It's not that personal, guys. What? Oh, let me down, guys. Guys, you might want to... What the hell did they just do to me? You guys can't get me. No, I want to get your honey. Oh, shoot. Give me your honey. Give me your honey. Why didn't they add like a honey block? But this is awesome. I remember the old days where the like Christmas and all of those updates, they only had like stuff to the forest. I think the Christmas they only had forest. I'm talking about the first one, guys. First ever one in 2021. No, actually, wait, was it 20? No. Nothing ever changed. Oh, wait. Bro, why do they do barely anything in here? Look, they barely did anything in here. They put that caves. Like, this why caves is one of the worst maps. But not the worst, it's fun. Way more fun than clouds. And I think that's just going to end the video, guys. Oh, wait, there's beehives. I had no clue. The speed boost is so much. Well, you could, like, do some jukes with this. You just come up here. You have to... like that. And you would have to, like... Then you would... Oh my god, that would be... This update is the best. Not the best, actually. I like the fish. I wish you could pick them up, though. How does this even happen? They need to add, like, a campaign. If you don't know what a campaign is, it's like a story mode to the game. But that's my opinion. But after that, I think that's going to end the video. And bye.